How to apply smile filter in Faceapp. Want to add a realistic smile to your selfies? Here's how to apply the smile filter in Faceapp. It's quick, easy, and very natural looking. So let's dive right in. First, open the Faceapp. Now go to your gallery and scroll down to select the photo from your camera roll. You can also snap a fresh selfie with the in-app camera, but for now let us just choose from the gallery. Now choose your photo. Okay, once you choose the photo, here you can see smiles. Tap on it. You can see classic, wide, tight, and all type of smiles here. Just apply the one you want, like this. As you can see, your photo has been changed to the smiley face, just like this. Now once you are happy with it, tap on apply, and just like that, your smiley face is ready to be saved in your gallery. Just tap on this save button at the top right corner, and your photo will be saved to the gallery. And that's it. You have just added a flawless AI-powered smile to your photo. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.